सबसे पहले मैं भूटानी केयर की तरफ से रोटरी क्लब ऑफ गोवा एंड वन वर्ल्ड गोवा का थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा तो हमें इस नोबल कॉज इवेंट में इनवाइट करने के लिए। मैं बाकी पेरेंट्स से भी एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि वो आगे आएँ, अपने बच्चों को एनकरेज करें, स्पेशली गर्ल्स चाइल्ड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस। Really, this is a really very good initiative by the Rotary Club to arrange such vaccination drive, especially to fight with the cervical cancer. आगे भी हम मेरा यही रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा कि ऐसे इवेंट जितने भी हों हम उसका पार्ट बनना चाहते हैं, तो हमें आगे भी इस सब चीज़ों के लिए इन्वाइट किया जाए। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।
रोटरी बद्दल तुमकां सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार इट वॉज एस्टॅब्लिश मोर दॅन 100 years बॅक. 1905 रोटरी फॉर्म जालो अमेरिकेक आणि आमचो क्लब जो आसा तो गोंयचो सगळ्यान ओल्डस्ट क्लब. 62 years जाली आमकां आणि ऑल्सो इट इज द बिगेस्ट क्लब इन गोवा. 100+ आमचे मेंबर्स आसा. रोटरीचे मुख्य उद्देश म्हणजे कम्युनिटी सर्वीस. जंयचें आमी जाता इतले कम्युनिटी सर्वीस करता. वर्ल्ड पीस इज ऑल्सो अनदर ऑब्जेक्टीव दॅट रोटरी हॅज. देर आर मेनी गूड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ रोटरी. खूब जाणांक खबर नासतलें की युनायटेड नेशन्सान रोटरीक एक सीट आसा. इट इज व्हेरी रेअर ओकेजन फॉर ए NGO टू गेट ए सीट इन युनायटेड नेशन जनरल असेंब्ली. तर आमच्या क्लबाचें सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार ह्या वर्सा आमी खुबश्यो कम्युनिटी सर्वीस केल्ले आसा प्रोजेक्ट्स. तातूंत थोडे उल्लेख करपाचे म्हणल्यार आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाक खूब व्हीलचेअर्स दिल्ल्यो आसा. वी हॅव गिवन तांकां आमचें कितें म्हणटा तें किडनी ट्रिटमेंटाक इक्विपमेंट दिल्लें आसा. आणि तशेंच इन द पास्ट वी हॅव डन सेवरल बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स. आमचे कस्तुरबा मातोश्री स्कूल जे आसा ताजें फूल रेनोवेशन आनी न्यू बिल्डींग कन्स्ट्रक्शन आमच्याच क्लबान पूर्णपणे कन्स्ट्रक्ट करून तांकां दिल्लें आसा. अशें कितलेशेच वर्सां आमचो क्लब ही सर्वीस करत आसा. आनी आज जो प्रोग्राम आमी जो केला तो इन एसोसिएशन विथ वन वर्ल्ड गोवा जवळ जवळ 125 गर्ल्स स्टुडंट्सांक इन द एज ऑफ 13 ते 19 आमी आज वॅक्सिनेशन करतले. आणि दिस इज फुली सपोर्टेड बाय आवर ओन क्लब वन वर्ल्ड क्लब एज वेल एज मेनी डोनर्स फॉर हूम वी आर व्हेरी थँकफूल. सो तातूंत सांगपाचें नांव म्हणल्यार तुमकां आमकां मिस्टर योगेश देमपो, माथेस प्रॉपर्टीज, भुतानी केअर तांणी केल्ले आसा. अशें खूब लोकांनी आमकां मदत केल्ली आसा आनी ताका लागून हे आमकां आज हो प्रोजेक्ट ही इव्हेंट घडोवन हाडपाक मेळटा.
We are doing community service related with medicines and related with scholarship and education for the last 62 years. So, as you all know, the cases of cervical cancer in Goa as well as in India and worldwide are on a rise, and it's really a matter of concern for all of us. That is why we took up this program where we are giving free vaccination to underprivileged girls between the age group of 13 to 19, and we are associated with One World Goa, and I'm thankful to Dr. Kedar Fadte for all his help and guidance in this program. And so this we will be giving the girls 2 doses of one of the best vaccines which is available in the world, and the full cost is borne by Rotary Club of Panji, and this is a small contribution of Rotary Club towards prevention and awareness of this cervical cancer, which is a deadly and dangerous disease among girls and women today in India. So I thank all our sponsors, even Prudent Media and all our media outlets who have helped us in this. I would also like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for extending all his help to Rotary Club of Panji for making this happen. Thank you very much. God bless you. This is the first dose which will be given today for about 125 girls, and this has to be continued. This vaccine has to be given in 2 doses, and the second dose will be given after 6 months. We are taking the contact details of all the girls and their parents, and we will be contacting them after 6 months and giving the second dose. That dose also will be free of cost, the cost being borne by Rotary Club of Panji and One World Goa. Uh, Along with that, we will be continuing this project, which is a really noble project and it will go a long way in prevention of this disease.
This event program is being held for the prevention of cervical cancer, and HPV vaccination program is a very good encouragement for all the girls to come forward and take this opportunity. I would like to thank all the sponsors and my colleague Rotarians who have supported in this event. Also, many of my friends, colleagues have become aware of this HP vaccination, and I'm very thankful to Dr. Kedar Farte for taking this up. And following year, we will, under the leadership of President elect Prashant Kesre and myself, Secretary, we will take up the booster dose, and we will do it in the coming 6 months.
The Rotary Club of Panji, in association with One World, is taking up a vaccination drive for HPV vaccines, which will prevent cervical cancer. Cervical cancer and breast cancer are the highest number of cancers in the world, and the cancer burden is so huge that treating one patient for cancer can cost a large amount of money to the government. So here is a drive which will create awareness about this vaccine, which is going to prevent cervical cancer and in the long run keep a very healthy lady and a healthy woman, which means a healthy society and a healthy world. And this is where I want to thank the One World and the Rotary Club of Panji for having taken up such initiative in order to promote the vaccine that will prevent a cervical cancer.
आजची जी इनिशिएटीव आसा ती आमची रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजी अँड द वन वर्ल्ड आणि इनर व्हील हांच्या सहयोगान ही जाता. हे सर्वायकल कॅन्सरा बद्दल अवेरनेस करपाचो हो एक हेतू आसा. प्रत्येक भुरग्यान हें वॅक्सीन घेवपाची गरज आसा. ताका लागून आमी सर्कुलर जो आसा तो प्रत्येक स्कुलाक धाडिल्लो आनी 13 ते 19 वर्सां भितरली जी चलयां आसा तांच्यांनी ही घेवपाची गरज आसा. कित्याक हो पयलो डोस आनी ताच्या मागीर आफ्टर 6 म्हयन्या मागीर परत तांकां आनी एक डोस. हे दोनूय डोस आमी फुकट दिता भुरग्यां खातीर, टेकींग केअर ऑफ द हेल्थ आनी तांचें फ्युचर की तांकां फाल्यां कसलोच कॅन्सर तांकां येवचो न्ही म्हण. आनी आजच्या ह्या आमच्या प्रोग्रामाक म्हाका दिसता अबावट 15 स्कुलां आनी 140 वयर भुरग्यांनी रजिस्ट्रेशन केल्लें आसा फॉर दीस वॅक्सिनेशन. हांव सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
हे आमी सर्वायकल एंटी इंजेक्शन्स मारता सर्वायकल कॅन्सरा खातीर भुरग्यांक, आनी दीस इज अ ग्लोबल ग्रांट प्रोजेक्ट बेजिकली डन बाय आवर डिस्ट्रिक्ट थ्रूआउट आवर 3170 म्हणजे सिंधुदुर्ग जावं, कोल्हापूर, बेळगांव, गोवा आनी नॉर्थ कॅनेरा. बेजिकली आज आमी वन वर्ल्ड गोवा डॉक्टर केदार फडते तांचे इनिशिएटिव्हा बरोबर आमी हो टायअप केल्लो रोटरी क्लब पणजीन. जवळ जवळ आमी एक 200-250 भुरग्यांक आज सर्वायकल कॅन्सराचेर एंटी सर्वायकल डोस दितले. ह्या किंमत आसा जवळ जवळ 15,000 रुपया वॅक्सिनाची, म्हणजे एक दोगांक दिवंक मेळटा आनी हे आमकां थोडेशे डिस्कावंटेड मेळटात. आनी हो एक मोठो प्रोजेक्ट आमी हो आयोजीत केल्लो आसा पणजेन आज. आनी ही भुरगीं जी 13 वर्सां ती 18 किंवा 19 वर्सां पर्यंत हांकां दिसत जाल्यार दे आर प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम ऑल दीस कॅन्सर. सो इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड इनिशिएटीव. आनी गोवा सरकारानूय फुडें थोडी आतां फुडें घेवपाची मदत ही गरज आसा आनी अशें आयकलां की ते करतले मोठ्या प्रमाणान. आमी रोटरी कडल्यान भरपूरशीं भुरग्यांक आमी सांगळे पयर केल्लो 500 भुरग्यांचो कॅम्प, तसोच आमी बेळगांव केला, कोल्हापूर केला आनी हा जो गोंयान पयल्या फावटी करता. थँक्स टू डॉक्टर केदार फडते फॉर वन वर्ल्ड गोवा हू हॅज कम फॉरवर्ड टू असिस्ट अस. वेरियस डॉक्टर्स आर ऑल्सो देर. आनी तुमच्या मिडिया पासून आमी वी वूड लायक टू मेक दीस अवेरनेस की गांवांनी भुरग्यांक आमी असो कॅम्प करतले फुडें आनी तांकां खरेंच फुडें काडचें and save them from the basic cancer diseases. Thank you.
We are here representing the Inner Wheel Club of Panjim. We are sponsors to this cervical cancer vaccine and supporting the Rotary Club of Panji along with in association with One World. So we are also helping them with the registration of all the kids here.
We are all gathered here today because there is a vaccination drive which is arranged by Rotary Club of Panjim and One World Goa. Now, it is a drive where we are giving a vaccination against cervical cancer, the cervical cancer vaccine for young teenage girls over here. Now, as we all know, prevention is better than cure. So, this is given to young girls, this vaccine is given to young girls so that they have some prevention against cancer, cervical cancer. As we know that cases of cancer are increasing these as the days go by, we are seeing that there are more and more cases of cancer. So as I have said that prevention is better than cure. So we have to do something about preventing these cancers which our women as well as other people are getting. So this is a very good drive, a very good initiative which is taken by the Rotary and One World, so that there is awareness brought about against the cervical cancer to spread. I urge all the public that wherever there is a vaccine which can prevent cervical cancer or any other diseases, people should go ahead and take this vaccine. And yes, very important is lifestyle changes, do some exercise as well as a good diet, normal, very healthy diet has to be taken by all of us so that we can have a prevention against cancer and all other lifestyle diseases.
आज हांगा वन वर्ल्ड गोवा आनी रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजीन हे HPV वॅक्सिनेशन ड्रायव्ह सुरू केला ॲट पेंजीम कम्युनिटी सेंटर फॉर गर्ल्स एज 13 to 19 years. Rotary and One World Goa has been continuously doing a number of projects for the benefit of the girl child. I remember menstrual hygiene management ताचेरूय तांणी खूब projects केल्ले. I fully support Rotary Club of Panji as well as One World Goa in all their initiatives towards the girl child. आता एक वॅक्सिनेशन ड्रायव्ह आज आसा आनी 6 म्हयन्यांनी देर इज गोइंग टू बी अनदर बुस्टर ड्रायव्ह. माय बेस्ट विशीस टू बोथ द ऑर्गनायजेशन्स अँड माय कंटिन्यूड सपोर्ट फॉर ऑल द गुड वर्क दे आर डुईंग.
दीस वॅक्सीन इज अगेन्स्ट द म्हणजे कॅन्सर जावच्या पयलीं हें वॅक्सीन दिवंक जाय सो दॅट इट प्रिवेंट्स वॅक्सीन कॅन्सर सर्वायकल कॅन्सर in your later life. So cervical cancer vaccine is the only vaccine which can prevent any cancer. अजून आनी खंयच्या कॅन्सरा बद्दल हें येवना, वॅक्सिनां येवना, पुणून हें सर्वायकल कॅन्सर वॅक्सीन आयलां आनी रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजी हाणें इनिशिएटीव विथ वन वर्ल्ड गोवा घेतला. सगळ्या अशा ऑलमोस्ट 100 चलयांक आज आमी वॅक्सिनेट करता आनी इट इज अ व्हेरी ग्रेट इनिशिएटीव. आनी आमी थँकफूल आसा ह्या हांकां स्कुलांनी जाणी आमकां प्रतिसाद दिला आनी ती आयले हांगा आपल्या सगळ्या गर्ल चायल्डांक घेवन वॅक्सिनेशन दिवपाक. सो आज आमी एक डोस दितली आनी मागीर 6 म्हयन्या मागीर दुसरो डोस दितात. सो एक 9 ते 15 वर्सां जी चलयो आसा तांणी हो सर्वायकल कॅन्सर वॅक्सिनेशन घेवंक जाय अशें. आनी इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू प्रिवेंट सर्वायकल कॅन्सर. सो हो एकूच असो कॅन्सर आसा जो वॅक्सिनान प्रिवेंट जावंक शकता.
Thank you very much, Rotary Club of Panjim and One World, for inviting me here this morning and for this initiative of the vaccination drive that you are organizing. It's a great initiative for the society. Lots of young girls will benefit from this. I myself would have been one of the beneficiaries if I had received it many years ago when it was still not available. But I encourage all the young girls to please take this vaccine to prevent cervical cancer. This initiative by the Rotary Club and One World is bridging the gap between what the government can do and society. There are many initiatives that we need to take up, which the government alone cannot do. And I think organizations like the Rotary Club, Sanjeevani, can definitely bridge this gap.
वन वर्ल्ड गोवा आणि रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पेंजीम हांच्यानी आयोजीत केल्ल्या ह्या वॅक्सिनेशन कॅम्पाक आमच्या मदीं आसात वन वर्ल्ड गोवाचे डॉक्टर केदार फडते, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर म्हणून हांगासर आयिल्ले आसा डॉक्टर वंदना धुमे, डायरेक्टर फॉर द स्टेट एड्स कंट्रोल सोसायटी, डॉक्टर गौरीश धोंड, मिस्टर तनेजा, परत डॉक्टर मंगेश, rest all the dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries among the audience, my dear friends. Particularly disease आमकां जावपाक जायना म्हणून वॅक्सिनां घेता आमी. धाकले आसतना सगळ्या जाणांनी BCG वॅक्सीन घेतलेलें, ओके. TB जावंक जायना म्हणून, TB जावंक जायना म्हणून, ओके. तेज्या उपरांत स्मॉल पॉक्स आनी बाकीची वॅक्सिनेशन जी आसा पळय न्ही, ही धाकली आसतना कंटिन्युअसली वॅक्सिन्स घेता. हे डिजीज आतां सगळीं वॅक्सिनां घेतल्या उपरांत आमकां इम्युनिटी डेवलप जाली आनी ते डिसिजीज आतां जायना. हे नवीन वॅक्सीन आसा वीच इज अ स्पेशली सर्वायकल कॅन्सर जावपाक जायना म्हणून हे वॅक्सीन जे आसा पळय न्ही हे रोटरी क्लब आनी वन वर्ल्ड गोवा हांच्यांनी हो कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केला. ह्या निमित्तान अवेरनेस जातली. तुमी आनीक 10 जाणांक सांगतले आपूण वॅक्सीन घेतले, दोनूय हो डोस जाल्या उपरांत 6 म्हयन्यांनी आनी एक वॅक्सीन आमकां दिवपाचें आसा. म्हणजे तुमी फुल्ली सेफ अँड सेक्युअर्ड जाका आमी म्हणटा की सर्वायकल कॅन्सर केन्नाच जावचो ना. कारण ज्याचे चान्सीस इन फिमेल्स म्हणजे लेडिसाच्या मदीं सगळ्यात चड चान्सीस कसले आसा जाल्यार सर्वायकल कॅन्सर जावपाचे चान्सीस सगळ्यात चड उरता. म्हणून हे वॅक्सीन जे आसा पळय न्ही हे घेता ते केन्ना हे वॅक्सीन घेतल्या उपरांत 99.9% तो कॅन्सर जावचो ना. आतां हे कित्याक घेवप? जर चुकून कॅन्सर जालो जाल्यार 2 गजाली आमी सातत्यान जे पळयता की आमकां एक म्हणजे लॉस ऑफ आवर हेल्थ हे तर जाताच, बट लॉस ऑफ मनी, लॉस ऑफ टायम हे खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात जाता आनी ताका लागूनच हे वॅक्सीन घेवपाक जाय. हांव परत एकदां आय एम कॉंग्रेच्युलेटिंग द रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजी आनी वन वर्ल्ड गोवा म्हणजे तांच्यांनी खूब बरी इनिशिएटिव्स घेतल्या. दीस इज अ न्यू वॅक्सीन, ताजो अवेरनेस करपाचो गरज आशिल्लो. ताज्या बद्दल वेगवेगळे जे लोकांचे रॉंग कन्सेप्ट लोकांच्या तकलेंत आसा ते सायडीक वचपाची गरज आसा. वॅक्सीन घेतल्यार अशें जातलें, वॅक्सीन घेतल्यार तशें जातलें. सेम वे कोवीड वॅक्सिनाच्या वेळार म्हणटाले तशेंच ह्या वॅक्सिनाच्या बद्दल वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली सातत्यात म्हणजे जे इन्फॉर्मेशन समजून घेयनात ते उलयतात. बट ज्या अर्थी म्हणजे डॉक्टर केदार आनी एंटायर डॉक्टर्स टीम हांगासर आसा, दिवपी डॉक्टर्स टीम आसा, तेच्यांनी 100% वीच इज अ टेस्टेड म्हणटा तशें आनी ते केल्या उपरांतूच हे वॅक्सीन हे दिता आनी वीच इज एप्रूव्ड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया. म्हणजे इट इज एन इन फ्युचर इट वील कम इन टू द प्रोग्राम ऑफ इम्युनायझेशन ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया. ह्या प्रोग्रामातूय ते येवपाचें आसा आनी ते आयल्या उपरांत रुटीन सगळ्या जाणांक म्हणजे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मेळटलें. आतां ताजी कॉस्ट ही रोटरी क्लब आनी आमचो वन वर्ल्ड गोवा ते स्वता बेर करता आनी तुमकां फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वॅक्सीन दिवपाचें केलां. यू पीपल आर द लकी म्हणपाक जाय तुमी सगळीं जाणां की तुमी आज पयलें वॅक्सीन घेतलें. हांव परत एकदां तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता आनी तुमकां बेस्ट विशीस फॉर युअर फ्युचर लायफ. थँक्यू.
Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Dr. Dhume, former Director Health Services and currently head Goa AIDS Control Center, CEO of Bhutani Care, Mr. Taneja, Mrs. Mariela Matthias of Matthias Properties, Mr. Shri Yogesh Dempo, students, parents, teachers, members of press and electronic media, members of Inner Wheel Club, our fellow members of Rotary and of One World Goa, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to you all. It's my pleasure to have this event organized for young girls in the age of 13 to 19, which is made possible thanks to many of our club members as well as many generous donors like from Bhutani Care, Mr. Dempo, Matthias family and many others. We are able to have this event today.
It gives me immense pleasure to be here today morning to see this enthusiasm and the drive for driving away the cancers. We all know that a single cancer can drive the family into depression, not only just physically, health-wise, but financially and socially. And to prevent that is something that is our duty. And so on behalf of One World, we have taken up this drive with the totally enthusiastic team of the Panji Rotary Club and all of you who are here and who have supported us in this drive. I'll just say only one word about it, and that is about our enthusiastic CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant. He is himself a medical person, and I don't have to talk more about him.
That the advances in medical sciences have changed countless lives. One of the most powerful tools that we have for prevention is our vaccination. Cervical cancer is a disease that can often be prevented through immunization. The HPV vaccine has been proven to significantly reduce the risk of cervical cancer. Yet, many of us are unaware and are hesitant about its importance. Each year, thousands of women are diagnosed with cervical cancer, and many lose their lives to a disease that could have been prevented. This is where we come up. Vaccination is not just about individual protection, but it is prevention and protection about the community. By immunizing our daughters, we are safeguarding their futures and contributing to a collective shield that protects our families and friends. This act of prevention is not just a personal choice, but it is a responsibility that all of us share. As we discuss the importance of immunization, we must acknowledge those who have paved the way for progress in global health. Organizations like Rotary International and One World have played a pioneering role in addressing major medical challenges around the world. Their commitment to eradicate polio and support maternal and child health initiatives has saved countless lives. Rotary's efforts extend beyond borders, inspiring communities to come together in the fight against diseases that threaten our loved ones. Rotary International understands that health is a global concern. Their dedication to education, awareness, and access to essential healthcare resources has been instrumental in combating many diseases, including today's cervical cancer. Through vaccination campaigns and advocacy, they empower individuals to take charge of their health and well-being. Today, I urge one and all of you to take some action. Share information with your family and friends. Advocate the accessibility of the vaccination program to your communities. Together, we can create a ripple effect that leads to a future free from cervical cancer. I want to emphasize here that our fight against cancer is not just about treatment. It is more about prevention, awareness, and education. Let us honor all those who have faced this cancer by ensuring that future generations have the tools they need to prevent it. Let us join hands with the organizations like Rotary to make a lasting impact on global health. Together we can make a change, together we can inspire hope, and together we can prevent cervical cancer. In the closing, I would like to stress on my journey through cancer that has shown me the fragility of life and the importance of prevention. Thank you.
Dr. Vandana, Dr. Kedar, Dr. Mangirish, Amitji, Pankaj, Yogesh Bab, Mairalabai, हांगा आयिल्ले दोतोर आनी स्पेशली 3 दोतोर आमचे डॉक्टर शैलेजा, डॉक्टर ज्योती आनी डॉक्टर सजल ते तांच्यांनी इंजेक्शनां दिल्लीं आसा आज सगळे पालक आनी आज आमची लाडकी भुरगीं वन वर्ल्ड आनी रोटरी क्लब हांचो मेळून एक बरोसो कार्यक्रम आयोजीत केल्लो आसा. जशे रोटरीन आमी खुबशे वेगळे वेगळे प्रोग्राम्स तयार करता आनी एंड पोलियो प्लस प्रोग्राम हो आतां कितकीशींच वर्सां 1978 सालांतल्यान आमचो चालू आसा. आतां सर्वायकल कॅन्सर वीच कॅन बी क्युअर्ड म्हणजे कॅन्सर कॅन बी क्युअर्ड आनी कॅन बी प्रिवेंटेड एट दीस स्टेज. जेन्ना तुमी 13 ते 19 वर्साच्या भुरग्यांक आमी HPV वॅक्सिनेशन जे आज दिता आनी ताज्या नंतर 6 म्हयन्यांचो बुस्टर डोस हो यू कॅन सेव युअर सेल्फ फ्रॉम गेटींग कॅन्सर. सो हो खरोखरच सगळ्यांचो हातबोट लागून आयिल्लो आसा. वी थँक मारियोला बाय, बेसिकली द जो मतायस फॅमिली अँड अमित जी अँड गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा along with One World and Rotary who have come together today. खरोखरच हो एक खरो बरो प्रोग्राम आणि असो प्रोग्राम हे प्रोग्राम आमी विनंती करपाक जाय गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन की तांणी हो लाभचो प्रत्येक वेगळ्या वेगळ्या हातूर शहरांनी, कित्याक वी कॅन सेव दीस पीपल यंग चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम कॅन्सर एट अ लेटर स्टेज. जशें वंदनाबाईन सांगिल्लें आसा वेरियस थिंग्स आनी दोतोर केदारांनी म्हणलेलें आसा. So we look forward to do more and more programs of this type, not only in पणजी, आता वेगळ्या वेगळ्या ठिकाणी आमी सांखळी वचूंक शकता, मडगांव सायडीन करूंक शकता, की आमचे वेगळे वेगळे क्लब्स आसा रोटरी तर्फे, आणि वी रिक्वेस्ट डॉक्टर केदार टू हेल्प अस टू डू दिस टायप ऑफ कॅम्प्स. सो थँक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर अँड बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.
On behalf of Rotary Club of Panji, I would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our Honorable and beloved Chief Minister, Shri Pramod Sawant, also for gracing the occasion and also for exchanging his ideas with all the students. I would like to thank Dr. Vandana Dhume, Director Health Services, Rotarian Dr. Sajal Dhon, renowned gynecologist and member of Rotary Club of Donapaula, the full medical team present here to assist us in this noble cause. I acknowledge the presence of students, teachers, and their parents. Special thanks goes to our sponsors, Bakia Constructions, Mrs. Matthias, Mr. Yogesh Dempo, Mr. Taneja, CEO of Bhutani Infra. Our special thanks goes to Dr. Kedar Dhume of One World Goa. I acknowledge the presence of Shri Gaurish Dhon, past District Governor and member of Rotary Club of Panji. Special thanks to print and electronic media, especially Prudent Media, for covering this event in a good way. I thank the dignitaries present here and our Rotarians also who have graced the occasions. I also thank the Innerville members for helping us in this program, the Panji Community Center and all involved, the caterers and etc. And thank you one and all. Thank you.